So to begin with, we are going to have to initialize our project. To do this, we are going to call in React native init, and then the name of what we want to call our project. In this case, I am going to call this project native app store. And then we are going to use a template. So we call in the template. We call in template. The name of the template, React native template type script. Then we press enter, and then what it does, it downloads the template into the folder, and after that we'll be ready to go. Okay, so when the project has finished downloading into our local machine, the starter template, what we'll have to do is we'll have to open it up on a simulator, and it gives you the instructions on what to do. For Android, you follow these instructions right here, but I'm using iOS, so I'm gonna follow this. Yeah, it says I should cd into my folder. I can just copy and paste this, copy and paste it, this line of code, and then paste it there, and then it should open my simulator. As you can see, it's saying building the app, so it's opening it. My simulator is right there, so we'll see what happens. Sometimes it takes a bit of a while, but finally our project has now been rendered to our emulator. As you can see, this is the starter template that React Native gives us, which we are going to build from. I'm gonna open this on Visual Studio so that we see the code. Hi guys, as you can see, I've already initialized my app on iOS emulator. We used React Native CLI on this project. This is the default starter template that I have open on my code. So what I want to do now is to sort of install some React native icons. We're gonna install the icon library. I highly recommend this icon library. I've been using it on my personal projects for a while. React native vector icons. It's really good. It has basically all the icons embanggled into one package. As you can see, like it got end design icons, feather icons, font awesome. This is the whole list. So basically, with one install of this library, basically you get access to all these icons, and you can use them on your native app. So basically, to install this library, we're just gonna follow these instructions right here. We're gonna go through it together today. So basically, the first one, it says we should run this npm install vector icons. Let me just open my terminal on my Android Studio, and then I'm going to npm install React Native vector icons, enter, and it should install the package to our project. Yeah, just gonna wait for this to finish. It should be done very soon. Just that my PC is a bit slow. Yeah, it's finally finished. It has installed our package. As you can see right here, installed 64 packages, and this is React Native Vector Icons. This is version 8.1. Yeah, so let me just go back to my documentation and we go to the next step. The next step, it says we should I prefer to do this manually. Basically, this is a list of all the icon libraries that are available. Yeah, so we have to copy this. We copy it into the info.plist in our iOS folder. So we go back to our code, and on here we go inside iOS, and then we go inside our project, and then we go inside here. Let me just do this. Yeah, inside here we find this info.plist. So we go iOS, your project name, then info.plist. If we go there, right at the bottom, before the dictionary clause, this is the dictionary clause, below false, we just paste that. Now that we have pasted our code to the info.plist, we are going to have to run pod install inside iOS. Yeah, so I have my terminal here. I'm inside the app folder. What I do next is you cd into iOS and pod install. What it's gonna do is gonna run pod install onto your project and link all these icons to iOS. So what I will do next is I will go to this website where I get icons. Yep, React Native Vector Icon Directory basically is for icons for this library. So I will go and search. I'll put this link on the description. I'll come here, I'll search, let's say home. I already have home searched. Yeah, so you see, like, it shows you the design for the end design, feather, font awesome, all the different kind of shades of home icon. Okay, so what I need is to import the one that I want to use. Let me use this end design. Yeah, so I'll come here, I'll say import and design from React Native icon slash and design. Yep, I've got that. And then after hello, I want to then use the icon, so I call end design name. It has to be the same name as here, what is called, and I say name. Oops. So basically I do name equals home. Yeah, and then let me open my simulator and then just refresh it. It could not find the development server. Okay, let me just rerun the project. And then just gonna wait for this to rerun. Then we'll see what comes up. yeah, it will rerun the app. Okay, after this hopefully everything works. Yeah, and then you can see right here there is the icon. Just so that you see clearer, let me just come here inside this and I say size equals 30, just to make it bigger. Yeah, you see, and it's the icon from InDesign that we used, and there it is. Yeah, so guys, this is, I really recommend this icon library. You guys can try it out. It's really good if you are using core React Native and not using Expo, because Expo comes with all these icons already installed in Expo. But if you're not using Expo, I really recommend this React Native. I plan to make more videos. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll just bring you more stuff, and hopefully we'll learn from each other. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think of it. It's really good.